How to issue a refund note in Myinvois portal. First, let's understand the purpose of issuing a credit note. To reduce the value of a previously issued invoice. Used to correct errors, apply discounts, or account for returned goods. Does not involve an actual return of money.
What is the purpose of issuing a refund note?
Issued when there is an actual return of money to the buyer. Involves cash movement. Indicates a full or partial reversal of a completed transaction.
When to issue a refund note?
Full or partial cancellation of an order after payment has been made. Return of the entire purchase of goods. Cancellation of services after prepayment. Must reference the original e-invoice issued.
What is an accounting impact?
For credit note, the original transaction remains, but is modified. For a refund note, the entire or part of the transaction is reversed or cancelled.
When refund note is not applicable.
Overpayments or wrong payments that do not adjust the original e-invoice value. Deposit refunds.
How to issue a refund note in Myinvois portal.
First, log in to your Myinvois portal. Go to New Document. Select Type of Document from the drop-down list, Refund Note. Make sure the document version is the latest version, for example, version 1.1, then click Start. Enter the UIN by referring to the original UIN. If the refund relates to a period before the implementation of e-invoicing, toggle NA, then click Continue. Fill up supplier and buyer information, usually pre-filled based on original e-invoice. Add line item. Fill in the description for the refund. For example, refund for gym membership overcharged. Classification code 013. Enter the refund amount to be returned to the customer. Click Add Tax Type. Select Not Applicable if you do not register as ST. Then, click Add. Check the detail again, then click Continue. Sign and submit. Choose your ID. Then, key in the password to submit. You will receive the below message upon successful submission. Thanks for watching. Click like and share this video if you find it useful. Hold on. Get ready for e-invoicing, the easy way with our hands-on auto count e-invoicing workshop, happening on the 13th of June 2025, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You'll learn how to issue e-invoices, including consolidated and self-built, ones using AutoCount ver 2.0. Go through the latest updates from LHDN, and refresh the basics for implementing e-invoicing in Malaysia. We keep the class small, so you can ask questions, and we provide training materials, plus a free 1-hour support session after the workshop. It's Rm $7.99 per person, and if you come with a group of 3 or more, you get 10% off. Seats are limited, so sign up now by calling 012-316-1755 or emailing fastraining99@gmail.com. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.